Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. If you're just joining us for the first time, you're welcome to the family. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome. And should I say happy new year? No, I think tomorrow will be new year. This is going to be our last video for the year, and yeah, you're welcome back guys. So for today we are going to be tying rawsilk and Ankara turban. As you can see, this is a 70-30 rawsilk. This rawsilk is a 1 yard turban, a 1 yard rawsilk. It's called the Dupion rawsilk. So as you can see, I'm just going to be doing a 70, measuring the rawsilk, a 70-30 part rawsilk. Starting off the pleats, I'm going to pleat like 6 pleats, I think. Yeah, after pleating it, you want her to hold the other side of the rawsilk. You want her to hold pressing her ears down, pressing the rawsilk down to her ears, and I'm going to go around and adjust the pleats. You don't want your pleats to loose. I always tell you this. If you want to achieve a very flawless and a very beautiful turban, you have to make sure the pleats are super perfect. Is it perfect? I wanted to say super something, but yeah, I'm used to saying super. So as you can see, she's going to turn around. After turning around, I'm going to be tying that using the smaller hand, holding down the smaller hand and tying it with the longer part of the turban. Yeah, as you can see, I just tied the rawsilk first, and then we'll be moving on to, I'll be using the Ankara now, also doing the same thing, but I'm going to be folding the Ankara in a in a triangular shape. I'm going to be tying the Ankara in a triangular shape, placing that on top of the rawsilk and also making my pleat again. The measurement for the Ankara is also a 70-30 part Ankara. That's the measurement for how we are going to place it on her head. So I'm going to make 4 to 5 pleats. I think it's just 4 pleats, and as you can see, I spread the rawsilk pleat is spread while the Ankara pleat is going to be on top of each other. I'll be doing the same way, the way I tied the rawsilk knot. That's how I'm going to tie the Ankara too. She'll be turning around, and I'm going to be twisting the longer hand of the Ankara and pinning that down on the middle wherever it stops. Can you see it stops here? So I'm going to just pin that down using my office pin. Then I will be picking up the rawsilk, the longer part of the rawsilk, on the other side of her head. Yeah, this. Then after I pick it up, I'm just going to be doing something as usual. I always tell you guys, if you're tying your turban, you have to be creative on your own. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just looking for, I'll be getting my pin, I'll be securing that, and then think of what to do. I can make ruffles with this part of the Ankara. I can make whatever I want to make. It will still come out nice and beautiful, as far as my pleats are already perfect. So yeah guys, as you can see, I'll just fold that down, and I'm not making a perfect pleat around that side. I wanted to do something like a ruffle there, but I just feel why not just change the style. And yeah, then I'm going to pick that up and just make something creative with that, and then boom. you have your super fine turban. Somebody can rock this, somebody might not like this, and another person will just love this to the end. You can even rock this as a bride. Let me tell you something, guys. Yeah, so can you see, I simply just squeeze that part, and then we have our ruffles on top of the Ankara. So yeah, guys, so if you like this turban, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also don't forget to subscribe, share. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. This is Hadidi Makeovers once again. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.